That is how you draw Mega Zygarde. Huh. Looks like I got another footage. Now, let's see what I should draw next. Just turn around. Oh, I know. How about Loki? That's right, the same character from One Piece. Oh, so she won money also. Is she that kind of person? Like, like, does she feel like she's ambitious, or? Because if it happened once before, it should not have ever happened again.
Yeah, you got that right, fans. I wasn't talking about the one from Marvel. They created a One Piece character from Loki. This guy's a giant.
So, they announced the winner at this dinner.
This guy ate the dragon fruit. Model Nighthawk.
And they were at the same table? Okay. But she didn't say, oh, this is for.
Let's see.
It must have been a mistake or something. Did she seem nervous? Oh, so she didn't seem nervous, and it didn't seem like maybe she misunderstood him. I wouldn't. It don't make sense. I answered you, and I wrote my name. Oh, yeah? Yeah, but they're not going to give you two awards. They're not going to give broadcast and magazine because they want to spread it out. Oh. Look at that.
Here we are.
So they didn't travel together. Does he live near him? And he pays her to do what she does.
Based on what I've learned, um, Loki might be next in line to become the next Straw Hat Pirate.
And the people giving the award, she works for. Just so that's fun. If you work for the company giving the award, and you know you work for somebody else, and that person owns that magazine, and the award for best publication goes to the owner. No, it doesn't. You don't. It's whoever's the publisher. The publisher gets the award.
There we
You
are.
can bring other people up, but the publisher. Right. No. Your thingamajig. Your height.
This here is his hammer. Sure to prepare to be.
I saw it. I thought it was
You have to have it
Lucifer.
as huge as his
Looks
own
like the
arm.
same ad. We need toilet paper and napkins and guess what? In Plainview, on Old Country Road, right by Mario's, they opened up a Greek supermarket. Yeah, it's called Greek Express. There's a lot more Greek people living on that island now. Yes. That's New York.
That's pretty funny. There we are. That's how you draw Loki, our next Straw Hat Pirate. There we are. There we are. There's Loki.